program. I want to tell you about my dream. My dream is to become a veterinarian so I can help animals that need attention. To do this, I must do well in school, especially middle school and high school. I hope to graduate with honors and get accepted into a good college. I know I must do certain things to help me accomplish this dream by studying hard, paying attention, doing the best I can, and working on my attitude. My best friend Brianna always said, never give up and always keep your head up.